Unboxing time. What is in here, you might ask? It's coffee. I know, don't worry, I didn't spoil anything. It's a special kind of coffee, and once I open it, you'll find out. Where's my knife? I'm so unprepared. Do I even remember how to unbox a box? Yes, of course I do. I'm not dumb. I can't even get my knife in. Okay, apparently I don't remember how to unbox. Are we ready? There it is. You see it? Focus. Nguyen Coffee Supply. If you were authentic Vietnamese, you'd probably say Nguyen Coffee Supply. But, you know, I've been mispronouncing my last name for decades. So, why stop now? First of all, this is not my company. This is someone else's company. I happened to see this on my Instagram feed, and I thought, whoa, that's my last name. Who is this person? What's this company? And also coffee. So they're a company based in Brooklyn, and they source their coffee beans from Dalat, Vietnam, which I've been to. It's a beautiful place. So I ordered the starter kit, which comes with a bag of coffee and a tin brewing brewer. I also got this t-shirt. I'm gonna put it on right now. How does it look? Eh? Eh? Look what it says. Nguyen, or win. Alright, now I'm ready to unbox my starter kit. We've got some stickers. Thank you for hustling with us. Well, you're welcome. Here's the tin. It even has my name, Nguyen Coffee Supply. I opted for the Loyalty Blend. It's the People's Grind. Right off the bat, it smells really, really good. Ooh, that's probably a little too much. Put the coffee in, tamp it down, put that on, top plate on, and then you just wait for it to brew. You know, I should have used a clear glass so I could watch my progress, but I could actually just, oh, it's hot! Ha ha ha! Ho ho! Yes, tin does heat up very quickly. Ow, fuck! So hot. Okay, so it's done brewing. Sweetened condensed milk. Mix it up. Yes, it's very, very good. Feels like a summer day in New York City. A summer day in Saigon. It feels like freedom. It feels like my youth. It feels like the power of my ancestors grinding coffee. It tastes like Nguyen Coffee Supply.